If you want to send personalized emails at scale without wasting hours manually editing each one, this is the tutorial you've been looking for. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step using a software I've tested against all the most popular ones out there. It's fast, efficient, and I've secured an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. Links in the description if you want to follow along. Here's what we're doing. We're going to send hundreds, even thousands, of emails, each with a unique name, message, or custom field, while keeping it personal. No generic blasts, no clunky mail merges, just clean targeted communication that feels one-to-one but runs like one-to-many. First, grab your contact list. Make sure it's in a CSV format. You'll need columns for at least first name, email, and any other field you want to personalize, like company name or recent purchase. This is the data your personalized emails will pull from. Now open the software we're using. Import your CSV file into a new campaign. It'll detect your columns and ask you to map them. This just means linking the data like first name to the first name variable inside the email body. Next, you write your email. Keep the tone conversational like you're writing to a friend. Insert your variables right into the message. For example, hey, Shan first name, I noticed you recently, or I thought this would be useful for someone at us company name. The software automatically generates a unique email for each contact based on the data. No copy pasting, no templates that feel robotic. Now before you hit send, preview a few emails. Make sure the personalization is pulling through correctly. You don't want hey first name showing up in someone's inbox. If all looks good, you can schedule it or send immediately. Here's where this tool really shines, tracking. You'll get real-time analytics on opens, clicks, and replies. That means you can tweak future campaigns, follow up more strategically, and keep getting better results over time. One quick tip: always test with a small segment first. That way you can spot errors, improve your subject lines, and fine-tune the message before scaling it up. Key takeaway: personalized emails at scale work best when they feel like you wrote them individually, but you didn't. The right software makes that easy, efficient, and scalable. Quick recap: get your CSV list ready, upload it, map the fields, write your email with personalization tags, preview, test, and send. Then track and refine. If you want to follow along using the same software I've used and recommend, I've added an exclusive free trial link just for my viewers in the description. It's the fastest way to get up and running with personalized emails at scale. Don't miss it.